How to fix Call of Duty Warzone or Modern Warfare fatal error 0xc0000005. 1. Update drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Delete players folder from documents/Call of Duty, Modern Warfare. 3. Enter D1EV2466243446088885D4E52B1F6B or 14455FFF04542812E42CE4 into machine GUID at computer /HE_local_machine/software/Microsoft/cryptography in registry editor. Save the change above and restart. Add D3D11 into additional command argument under battle.net launcher. 5. Some other tips. Close and restart the game. Use the battle.net launcher, scan and repair. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Update Windows OS. Replace your memory, RAM, chips, if you can.